Apple computer, what a great pop on the daily chart. We can see that it sold down on Apple and we bought the $220 calls in Apple. And we gapped up above the 10-day and the 20 on this chart. We bought the dip when it held the support right here. Now, that was the dip buy. That is day 2, second day today. I will emphasize this. We have a plan. If we don't break above that trend line, then we're going to sell out of the calls and leave Apple alone until it pulls all the way back. 200 would be good. Okay, but once again, day 2 of the rally. Okay, positive dip buyers. That's when we came in right here. Okay, that was the down day. That was the buy the dip day. And pop goes the weasel. Sign up. Let us take you down the big, big road.